Some of you make videos about how difficult it is to read this book, Lekki Headmaster, how difficult it is to read it and understand it, how difficult you are finding it even to get the book. And I'm making this video to assist you, right? Lekki Headmaster is already here to stay. There is nothing you can do about it. It's compulsory for anybody writing JAMB this year. Is something you cannot run away from. It's a book that you must read. So instead of focusing on how you can dodge the book, instead of finding a way of not reading the book, instead of coming online to tell me or to rant on social media about how difficult you are finding it to read this book, I am giving you a solution to that challenge. There is a way out. And I've worked hard in our channel. If you have been with us in this channel all this while, you would have seen that we have done quite a lot. We have done quite a lot in the area of assisting you to read and understand this book chapter by chapter. We have done two things for you, and that is why I'm making this video. If you're having difficulty with this book, Lekki Headmaster, just come close, listen up to everything I'm going to say so that you can simply understand. Saying that you don't like reading novels is not an excuse. Saying that you have not even gotten the book is not an excuse. Saying that you have not registered JAMB is not an excuse. So I've done you a lot of good. I've done you a lot of good by, you can see the videos, the thumbnails I'm showing you. I've done you a lot of good in this channel. What have I done? I have taken time to do more than 30 videos. I think at this point we have done more than 30 videos on this book, Lekki Headmaster. What did I do? I started reviewing this book for you chapter by chapter. So I came to chapter 1. We did a video on chapter 1. When I mean review, it means we read the book. Let me show you. We read the book from chapter 1 to the end. We came to chapter 1 and read it from the first sentence to the last sentence. We read it for you in chapter 1. Then we came to chapter 2 and read it. This is the video. This is the thumbnail. What you are seeing on the screen is the picture that the video has. Chapter 1. We have done this for you. So if you cannot read the book, simply go over and watch the video. Every video we have done. We have done this chapter 1. We have done chapter by chapter review of the book Lekki Headmaster. From chapter 1 to the end. There's no missing word. We did not jump any chapter. It took us quite a time. We have been on a series, right? It took a long time. I brought out chapter 1, read it for you word by word till the end, then explained it for you, right? Then I brought out chapter 4. I brought out chapter 5, I brought out chapter 6, till the very last chapter. All the chapters in this book, we have looked at it critically in our channel, because we know some of you don't like reading, right? Now, what you are going to do for me, tell me the issue you are having with this book. Is it that you have not gotten the book? Is it that you have gotten the book but you are finding it difficult to read? Is it that you are reading the book but you are not understanding? Or is it that you just don't want to read the book? You are looking for an alternative. You don't like reading novels. Look at, we have done chapter 7, we have done chapter 8, we have done chapter 9. Remember I told you the book has 12 chapters. We've done chapter 10 for you. There's also a summary of the whole book. If you want to get a summary of the whole book, we have gotten it here for you. So there's really no excuse. You don't have any excuse why you should not pass all the questions that will come from Lekki Headmaster. Are you with me? We have done all the questions for you chapter by chapter. Let me still show you chapter 11 and chapter 12. This, if you don't know how to get the book, we have done a video for you on how to get the book, right? Now, these ones you are seeing, before I get to them, before I get to those ones, I have done a video on the second to the last chapter. That is chapter 11. We have reviewed it for you. Then yesterday we did the last video on Lekki Headmaster. That is chapter 12. The book is actually a very, very, very interesting book. If you follow how I read it from chapter 1 to the end, there is no way you will fail even one question from Lekki Headmaster. I took quite my time to analyze it for you chapter by chapter. Like I said, we analyze it for you from chapter 1 till the very end. From what? From the first chapter, the second chapter, the third chapter till the very end. Then that is not all that I did for you. One more thing I did for you was I spent my time in the book and started bringing out questions that JAMB will ask. Questions that JAMB could ask in the book Lekki Headmaster. I started bringing out possible questions to expect from the book. So even if you just listen to the book and you don't read the book and you are not even sure of the questions that could come out, remember, Lekki Headmaster must come out. In use of English, you expect several questions from that novel. That's why they made it compulsory. It's not optional. You must encounter questions from the book Lekki Headmaster. Let me show you the videos we have done on it. I spent my time, apart from summarizing it for you, I spent my time giving you, look at this one is Expo 5. We did chapter by chapter review of questions that they could pick from each chapter, of questions they could pick from that book. This is very important. In our channel and Novel tutorials, we have simplified the whole process for you. We have simplified everything so you don't have any excuse. This is another video we have done on possible questions. If you have not gotten these things, you let me know, right? I've taken my time to do these videos for you, so that this Expo 3, I did it Expo chapter by chapter Expo for you, right? So there is no going back. Nothing should make you not to pass your use of English and flying colors. I've done all the hard work for you. This is the first video we did. Expo questions, JAMB questions from Lekki Headmaster. I spent time doing, I think we have done 7 videos and we will do more for you. Expo questions. Now, what I want you to do is, if you can get the physical copy of Lekki Headmaster, if you can get it and read, good. But if you cannot get it, if you can get it and read, I recommend you get the book. When you are registering, they will give you a copy. If you cannot get it, or if you have not been able to register, you don't have a copy of the book, you can also request that I give you a PDF of Lekki Headmaster. It's not free, but you can get it from me, a PDF, so that you begin now to read. But aside that, one thing you can also do is go over to our channel and start watching the videos. Go to check chapter 1, watch it, listen to it. Check chapter 2, listen. It's the same thing in the book. That is the same thing we read. Check chapter 3 and all the other chapters. These are the things we have done. If you want me to send you free JAMB past questions on use of English, free JAMB syllabus on use of English, and other 3 subjects we'll be writing, just let me know. Just do these things. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel, Novel Tutorials. Like this video and share this video. Like this video, share this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once I say you type I've subscribed, I will send you all the materials you need. So if you also want me to send you a link of all the videos we have done, let me know so that I can send you all the link right now.